Ruthie from a Room for Pilates studio. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Ab Circle Pro to do what we call side crunches. Side crunches are an exercise that helps you trim the waistline. The upper torso is going to stay still and stable. The pelvis is going to be swinging side to side on this little circle here. And you're going to be creating a little side crunch as if you're doing a sit-up on the side. Those side crunches eventually help to make the metabolism improve in this area and trim your waistline. So here's the Ab Circle Pro. Looks easy enough, right? The company recommends doing 3-minute exercise stints. So you work at it for 3 minutes. You can also change the setting. So you can bring the two knees closer together, and that changes the angle at which you crunch. So the closer the knees are together, the higher and deeper the crunch is into the waistline. Sometimes we include the Ab Circle Pro in our Pilates workouts here at the studio.